Hello YouTube, hello my viewers, and welcome back to another video. Now you might think I have seen this tool before. Wrong. A new model 20-volt cordless multi-tool from Parkside, and it's the PAMFW 20LIC3. And in a previous video you could see the old model. The old model has had a problem, and I also made a video about that. And this is the older model. This is the PAMFW 20LIB2. And the new one had an upgrade. And it had a reason. Now you probably have seen the video where I have had to remove the battery that got stuck on the machine. Now that was the issue. And I think they solved it with the new one. First, let me show you the first difference. It has a new box. And the hinges are plastic. I don't know if that is really an upgrade, because they look more weak than the older metal ones. Now these are the new ones. Those are plastic, and they look very weak to me. Cheap plastic. And these are the older ones, the metal ones. They still look strong, although I did break one of these in the past because I stepped on it with my shoe. But I like these more than the new ones. And for the rest, yeah, you can see the boxes are very different. Well, let's get back to the new one. Now, this is the box. It's 20-volt, works with all the Parkside X20-volt team batteries. The accessories that came along with it, you can see them here. And it's compatible with the recommended battery is the 20-volt 2 amp hour battery, but you can also use a 4 amp hour if you like. And of course, as all tools, they come with a 3-year warranty. And I think the specifications are exactly the same as the older model. As always, the manual, nothing changed there. You can scan a QR code if you like for the PDF file, if you want to see that. And it comes in a multiple language, and a language that you will understand. There is this bag with accessories. I don't remember if they came in a bag in the past, but really nice. ACS blade for wood. Some sanding papers for metal and for other materials like wood, plastic. Scraping blade. And this blade to cut into tiles or joints for, yeah, cleaning joints. Vacuum cleaner connector. And a sanding pad with Velcro on it. So that's exactly the same as the older one. Now let me show you the new one. And take the older one here, so you can compare. So here we have the old model. And you can still see that the battery was stuck here. Now the cause of that was that it got too warm here. And then something melted between the battery and the machine. And then the battery got stuck. And I didn't realize what caused it. After I took it all apart, I could see it was sticky here to the battery. Now they improved the new one with this cooling fan. So this will cool the motor and it won't get hot. Well, I think. Also, this changed. Let me compare. As you can see, this is longer than here. So they really did something with that information to improve the tool. the same locking system, I guess. Exactly the same. Everything is exactly the same except the cooling fan here for the motor. You can see here also, you can change the speed, oscillation speed. The on and off button is the same, exactly the same button. Even they make a different sound. This one feels more proper, maybe because it's used, than this one. You can see it you can see it clearly. This feels a little more cheap, and this feels perfect. And for the rest, it's exactly the same. Same light, same connection here. So let's put it to the test and hope the battery don't get stuck like last time. So we are outside, and the first thing I noticed, I didn't notice this earlier, is this is the old one, and it has a ventilation on the bottom. I didn't realize that. What they did with the new one is they also made an inlet on the side. Let me show you again, next to each other. And I also took 12 volt from Parkside Performance and an 18 volt from MELLIF Tools. This is one I like it very much. And this one is the one I used mostly. Let me show the serial number. And let me show the serial number of the MELLIF Tools. I have a discount code for the MELLIF tool. But first we're gonna step into this new Parkside one. Putting the blades on. And I'm using for both machines the same blade. Also the same batteries, 2 amp hours, fully charged. So this is the new one, and this is the old one. I move these aside. Let me get a piece of plywood. First take the old one. Show you the model number again. This is the B2. And then the new one, the C3. And this one cuts a lot better. Let me try again. As you can see, it's a new blade. And it's on 6 also. There is not much of a difference. I have the feeling this one cuts a little bit better. The old one again, the trick is to not put too much force on it. Now showing the MELLIF tools, also on speed 6. And the Parkside Performance 12 volt. Hold it, push it again, put it on 6. And that's why I always using the 12 volt. You won't believe it, but you see it, you can see it yourself. Let me show you this one again. I'm not pulling, I'm not playing games, just showing the reality. So here we have them, the new one. Show you the serial numbers again. And that are pretty good. The prices always changes, so I cannot tell you any prices, and prices in different countries are also different prices. These prices from the MELLIF are the same. You get a 10% discount if you use the link in the description. And I like this one also very much. Feels really like quality, the MELLIF one. Also the battery, nice battery indication. But for cutting, yeah, I think the 12 volt is cutting the best. Decide for yourself. I try to show you this in a realistic way, so you can choose for yourself which one is perfect for you. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, hype and subscribe. And I hope to see you in next video. Thanks for watching.